Afternoon everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Yoann, and today it is Thursday, April 27th, 2023, and let me show you what I did day trading. Let's go! Okay guys, you should be able to see my screen here. This is SPX on 1 minute. So let me go back actually a little bit on the 5 here. Okay, so as you can tell, we open with a gap up, okay? Now, lately, we've been in a downtrend the past 2 days. Obviously, that eventually needs to end and the trend changed and we open with a gap up. Now, I didn't know obviously that this will happen. Huge uptrend day, we're up almost 2%, 196 exactly, about $79 up and some change on a day. Absolutely insane, amazing. Now, I was thinking about shorting this over here, right, going lower. And then when I saw the after a while when you're trading every single day, you start to get a feeling, an instinct and a gut feeling about this. And you can see that experience teaches you honestly, and mistakes and failures teaches you when you see the bid and the ask moving, when you see the price action, you understand that this will continue to go up. Now, when we have this huge retracement here, you gotta tell me like, wait, why didn't you short it? Because I didn't like actually the price action. This is the 15 minutes, okay? Now over here, what I decided to do is going long, and I did not press the button, and I regret that mistake because I was looking at the 40.90, they were at $7.50. They went all the way up to $47, as you can tell over here. I even texted one of my friends, I was like, wow. At the time I texted him, I was like, I was about to go long here because look at the 5 minutes, it was absolutely beautiful. When I knew we would not go down anymore, it was exactly on this one here. I was like, I want to go long here, and then boom, this happened, and then we never retested the 9 and break it except here. So I didn't press that. I texted my friend. I was like, wow. I texted him here, and I was like, wow. I was thinking about buying the 40.90 call, and they were at $7.50, and now they're already at $11. I texted him like 2-3 hours later. I was like, they are at $35, and we ended up the day with 40.90 call to be at $47. So basically $4 grand, because I would have paid approximately 750 bucks. So yeah. Anyway, that being said, I was like, you know what? I missed my entry. There is a lot of opportunity for me to go up again, but I kept thinking that we're gonna have a very intense rug pull. So what's a rug pull? Well, when they pull the rug, it means that they are suddenly, you know, the buyers are selling everything, or the algorithm comes in play, and then suddenly you drop like insane, something like this. Let's say we're going up, right? And then we reverse over here, going higher, reverse over here, I mean consolidating over here, and then suddenly boom, we just flush down. Something like this, right? That's a rug pull, when it happens that fast, that quickly. I mean, that maybe I'm exaggerating over here, but something as sharp as this almost, right? So that being said, I was like, you know what? I missed my entry. I'm just gonna observe today. I'm gonna be on the sideline. It is what it is. And what I will do when usually this happens is I like to play the end of the day just to see if I can scalp really quickly few candles down. I was thinking that there was a gap here to fill. We filled the gap already on the upside. End of the gap was the one here. I'm like, we're probably gonna rug pull over here once the gap has been filled. So what I did is I actually I took 2 trades, but I was scalping in and out per one contract only. They were between $2 and $1 and 95 cents and 85 cents, and I went in and out. So let's go on 1 minute over here. All right, so I went in over here, then you reversed on me, I cut over here. I had 2, so I cut in the middle, so I basically lost only $5 for this one. Then I went down over here, I'm like, okay, we're crossing this one here, but then boom, you reversed on me, cut at the 9, lost again. Then I went back in, boom, boom, made a little bit of money there. And then it was the same price, again, same strike. So long story short, the last one was there, and then this one, I enter here actually on this one here, and then you went back up here and I cut there. So I lost basically money on all those small trades, and let me show you. So 285 I sold one at 3 and then one 265, so I lost $5 of this one. And then I enter a 140 for 3, then I cut a 95, 85, then I enter a 110 and 1, because that's 75, and then I enter a 90, and finally it's a little bit of money, and I exit at 105, 115, 110, 1. But all of that, long story short, was a loss. All of these were a loss of 160, and those over here were a loss of $5. So lost $165 today. So yeah, I kind of learned my lesson, because I like to trade the last few minutes of the day sometimes, but it's kind of a hit or miss. It's not too much of trading. It's honestly more of a gambling at this point, because if they flush it down, you gotta, at this point, yeah, it's a rug pull, and you were right. My instinct would have been right, and I would have made bank absolutely, yes. But at the end of the day, I prefer to take something where my gut are telling me, and my obviously technical analysis are telling me, hey, let me go on a 5, because I like the 5 on this one. We are retracing over here, but there was no follow through at all. Just try to go long, and you enter right here, and then next thing you know, you just make it. Like, I will wish I enter. I only had one. I pressed the button and I cancel it, so I was like, you know what, never mind. But yeah, I would have loved to enter over here and exit over there. That would have been absolutely amazing. $4,000 in one day over here, instead of losing 165, trying to eventually get a rug pull and go down sharply. Now that being said, I have a little bias on this, and I'm thinking, obviously I don't have a crystal ball and I don't want to predict the market. I prefer to react to it. But I do think that after such a huge move and leaving a huge gap over here, let me show you. That's a huge gap, right? I do think that we are due for a little rug pull. I don't know. It's my gut feeling. I'm not sure to predict anything. I will react to the market, to whatever the market offers me tomorrow. I'll be happy to take it. But my bias is towards we are due for a rug pull, because we have such, like, every single dip has been bought. Like, there was no, we never, once we cross here, we cross the 9, consolidating, and went back up, there was no going back. We never crossed the 9, except, and that's why I took my trade, when we started to cross it over here. I'm like, oh, that's it. That's a signal for me eventually to have a small rug pull. They're gonna pull the rug, let's go. And no, they just went sideways, and I tried multiple times and I didn't get anything. I ended up with minus 165, so I was done for the day. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. As you can see, I'm posting the beautiful, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today was bad, not ugly, but it was bad. So yeah, lost $165, as you can tell, right? Red day for the day. It's been a while, but it is what it is. It's part of the game. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to go on coachyoann.com, book your free 15-minute one-on-one coaching with me. I'll be happy to discuss my mindset or your mindset, fitness, anything related to fitness or trading and mindset. I'm happy to answer you. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, please, and share that video as well if you like to. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.